Hi, my name is Isaac Brockman, and today we are going to dive into the intricacies of the disease that we know as Alice in Wonderland syndrome. All right, down the rabbit hole. So no one really knows what causes this mysterious disease. Things that we do know is that it can manifest from certain ailments such as migraines, seizures, brain disease, brain tumors, recreational drugs, medications, strokes, and infections. There have also been studies that have shown that it may be related to Creutzfeldt-Jacobs disease. So some of the symptoms that are caused by this disease are illusionary changes in size. Things will be smaller, things will be bigger. Distances or positions of stationary objects might be altered in the perception of the afflicted person. Feelings of levitation, illusionary alterations in time, derealization, and depersonalization. So, currently there is no known treatment for Alice in Wonderland syndrome. The best that we can do is help the patient become more comfortable using supportive care. Things like medicine for migraines, relaxation exercises, mental health therapy, and meditation can ease the stresses of this disease. So usually AIWS, or Alice in Wonderland syndrome, is caused by something else, like migraines. So the best method of treating this disease is to treat and prevent the migraine, for example. So the biggest effect on society would be pop culture. Lewis Carroll, the author of Alice in Wonderland book, has been speculated to actually have been afflicted by this disease. He suffered from migraine aura symptoms before writing the Alice books. And his books depict Alice, the main character, experiencing things growing and shrinking and visual alterations that really depict hallucinations. On a more personal note, people affected by this disease will have a hard time holding down a job because of the debilitating nature of this disease. Often people with Alice in Wonderland syndrome are not comfortable out in public while they are experiencing hallucinations. So society does not really affect Alice in Wonderland syndrome greatly. But if we increase awareness to this disease, we can get closer to a future cure. Society can, although, cause things that can cause Alice in Wonderland syndrome to escalate. For example, migraines. So many things, including hormonal changes, stress, consumption of alcohol, sensory stimuli, weather changes, and medications can bring on migraines, in turn, bringing on Alice in Wonderland syndrome. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.